Hi guys, I had this problem with my OBS recordings when my mic would constantly pick up noise. Here, there is a constant background noise. And it's always there, even when I mute the mic and even when I disconnect the headset entirely from the splitter. And this is how I solved it. You click on this little gear here, you go to Filters, click on the plus button, Noise Gate. This is the setting that solved it for me. And I just use the default setting close. And this is what happens when I mute my mic. As you can see, the background noise has been completely eliminated, and I hope that my future recordings will be less fucked up than up to date. So I hope this video has helped someone who, like me, has read half the internet and didn't find this easy, simple solution to the problem. So if it did solve the problem for you, make sure to like the video, let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching and see you later.